The limbic system is a group of structures in your brain that control things like behavior, motivation, long-term memory. It's considered the oldest part of your brain from an evolutionary point of view. The limbic arc got its name because of its ability to spark the connection between the old brain and the new brain, making information that's available at a subconscious level more meaningful at a conscious level. The limbic arc has two pieces. The first piece is a library of informational fields that exists on the internet cloud. This library contains information about natural substances like vitamins, minerals, herbs, essential oils, things like that. The second piece of the limbic arc is an app that you download onto your smartphone. You might think of the app as a smart library card that gives you access to the library in the cloud. The LimbicArc app gives you the ability to log into your account and access the online library. In the library, you can select items or collections of items. Then you can set the triggers you want and activate your selection. We call this an info boost. Once you've activated your selection, the online library adjusts the information fields to be specific for you and then focuses that information directly to your energy field. This happens because of a process called entanglement, and it happens between the online library and your app. Your body is built to process information. In fact, all life processes require information. You might think of the info boost as the set of plans used to build a house. The plans are technically not the house, but it's impossible to build a house without the plans or the information that's contained on the plans. If you don't have the plans, you certainly get a different outcome. The info boost is the plan for the item that it represents, or the plans for the items that you include in your info boost. And the info boost is there to give your body information to help it operate smarter. One collection of items in the library is called Calm. Calm consists of items like lavender, rose oil, certain essential fatty acids, curcumin, things that have a known impact on anxiety and irritability, the opposite of calm. When this collection is activated, the items in the collection are activated. These items are sometimes referred to as quantum products, and their energy fields are modified to be specific for you and are then focused to interact with your energy field. Once activated, you should pay attention to your sense of calm. Are you calmer? Are you less inclined to be anxious or irritated or stressed? The program length for an info boost is 8 days. You can modify that length, but during the length of time of the info boost, you should pay attention to how you feel. Things that happen energetically are often felt, and so it's important to pay attention to those feelings. You might. Here's an example of why. Let's assume that you're consuming adequate quantities of magnesium, potassium, and calcium. But for some reason, your body is not processing that as effectively as it could be, and as a result, you're experiencing leg cramps. If you then select an info boost and the energy fields that you select include magnesium, calcium, and potassium, you may find that that information assists your body in processing the calcium you already have on board in a smarter way, and your leg cramps go away. Now bear in mind, this is only a theoretical example. The limbic arc is not designed to diagnose or treat any disease or any physical condition, but you may notice physical benefits from an info boost. It can happen. Please get back with the person who introduced you to the limbic arc. We look forward to having you as a member of the LimbicArc family.